and welcome back to Stacy Chantal Skincare channel, or welcome here if you are new. It's been a while since I've been active here on YouTube and a lot has changed in this past year. For starters, I stepped out on my own and went solo this past year. I've been doing Stacy Chantal Skincare for a while, but it's really just been the online / social media side of things while I was still working at my other salon jobs, whereas now I'm fully working for myself in my own salon suite. Let me know in the comments if you would be interested in a facial room tour. Then a few weeks after going solo, I went to New York City for a trade show. I went to the 2024 IECSC, which is the International Aesthetics, Cosmetics, and Spa Conference in New York City this past March, as in March 2024. It was nice to get exposed to what's out there in the skincare industry, keep on top of what the trends are, what are kind of the new up and coming treatments, devices, products, product lines. I actually even found the first skincare line that I brought into my studio here at the trade show, which is Glymed Plus. I also took part in advanced acne education through Face Reality, which sadly is only available in the US at this time. Hopefully they come to Canada in the future. But nonetheless, the education was so valuable just to equip me to further help my clients. And the city itself was incredible, an absolute dream. I highly recommend everybody going to New York City at least once in their life. Since then, I've been working on growing my business and working alongside some of my dream skincare lines. These are lines that align with Stacy Chantal Skincare, that align with my personal skincare philosophy and the goals and visions that I have for my business. I'm so proud of every skincare line that I have in my studio. You can browse the products online on my website, which I will link in the description. On top of that, last fall, I hosted my first ever skincare workshop. It was such a great time of teaching about the skin, how it works, how to take care of it, how to identify your skin type and choose products accordingly. The class even got to do a hands-on demonstration. It was such a lovely time and I would love to do more of these in the future. The last and most exciting update is my husband and I are very excited to welcome our first baby this fall. We're so thrilled with this sweet little new addition to our family. My plan is to take clients for as long as I can until I can't anymore, and then provide a bridge for my clients until I return from maternity leave. I will personally reach out to all of my clients to discuss details when the time comes. So even though a lot has changed, what remains the same is the goal for this channel to provide you with quality skincare education. Thank you to everyone who has been supporting this channel for a while. Your support truly means a lot. If you are new here, I invite you to subscribe and join a community of wellness-minded skincare enthusiasts. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.